Microsoft Copilot just got a major brain upgrade. And if you use Word, Excel, or Outlook at work, this affects you right now. OpenAI announced that GPT-5.6 is now the model powering Microsoft Copilot 365. That's the AI assistant built into the apps over 400 million people use every day. So why does this matter? Because the early version of Copilot felt pretty underwhelming to a lot of people. Drafts were generic, summaries missed details. But those problems weren't really about Copilot. They were about the older AI model running underneath it. GPT-5.6 is significantly smarter, more accurate, and way better at following complex instructions. If you gave up on Copilot before, now is the time to try it again. Open it today, give it one real task, an email, a summary, a data question, and see what's changed. The AI inside your work apps is not the same tool it was 6 months ago. Follow for daily AI updates you can actually use.